Hello there. Thank you so much for watching Sashi.co channel. This is Atsushi. I hope everybody's doing fine in this strange time. It has been a long time since my previous post, which is about a month ago. I introduced my Sashiko fabric mask, like this one or like this one. Thank you so much for those inquiry questions if I sell those Sashiko fabric masks. As much as I would like to do so, I don't have enough time to make one for many customers. So I decided to offer a set of materials I use for the Sashiko mask. And when I offered that Sashiko set, I also mentioned that I would explain how to sanitize those fabric masks without proper sanitizer. And I took the video. I filmed the video right after those videos, like previous videos. Then the school announced the whole cancellation until the summer, until the next semester. And then I got a little bit busy. So this is the update. This is the follow-up of how to sanitize the Sashiko mask. And also I wanted to say hello to everybody that I'm doing okay. It's just, how can I explain that? I think I have 2 full-time jobs right now, so it's a little bit crazy. At the same time, I don't want to get sick, so I try to sleep well as I try to kind of keep up with everything. Well, I think many people are doing the same thing. It is this strange time with this too. I don't want to make out. So, thank you so much for the comments as well. I read all of the comments, but again, I don't have time to reply everything. I confirmed some of the questions in the comments. Some of the questions in the comments are already answered in the previous videos. I am not doing a good job in terms of organizing the videos. I would like to do sometimes, but if you keep watching the videos or searching for the terms, you may be able to find the answers, so please check that out. Besides that, I would like to restart the live streaming, but I don't know when and how. I would really need some times without my daughter talking to me, for that matter. It's really good that she talks to me, but let's see how I can do that. Okay, here is the videos of how to sanitize the mask without proper sanitizer. It's very primitive ways to do that. I'm not a professional in sanitizing or public health, so I might be wrong, but this is how I was taught to make your fabric clean. It's pretty much boiling the fabric. Okay, so I hope I will come back to the video as soon as I can. I have a lot to tell, I have a lot to stitch, I have a lot to share. Meanwhile, please stay safe. Everything is like spring has come. The summer is right there. It's super beautiful outside. I want to go outside, and I do go outside, but keep social distance and then don't let your guard down yet. I think it's a new normal, right? Alright, this is not the end of the video. There will be the video following this. Have a good weekend. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Disclaimer: a fabric mask is not a medical solution as the replacement of N95 mask. For more information, please research by yourself from valid websites such as CDC announcement. This cleaning method is what I had learned. Please watch this as an idea of how to clean your mask in a primitive way. Thank you. First, boil a lot of water in a big pot. I learned that we can disinfect the virus by putting the fabric into the 80 Celsius, like 175 Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes or so. I usually boil the water like the video shows and then put the mask and close the lid. Since I use the electric oven top, I turn off the oven and let the hot surface keep boiling the water. If you use a gas oven top, which is I'm so jealous, then boil it for 10 minutes or so. You may wonder, why is he putting a lot of baking soda? Well, it's simply because I was taught in this way. In Japan, we put juso, and the baking soda is the same materials in English, I believe. The amount of the baking soda is just about. From my experience, it eliminates the bad odor after drying it. I do not think baking soda itself will disinfect the virus, but I always put them when I wash the mask. I usually stir once after about 10 minutes passed. I do not know why I lift the mask and let the fabric touch the air, but I do that all the time. It may be because I always do so when I cook the Japanese fried chicken, so-called karaage. After stirring, let the fabric sit in the hot water about 10 minutes or so. At this point, the water doesn't have to be boiling hot. Save some energy bills. After the total of about 20 minutes, take them out and then rinse with running water. Rinsing is quite important to make it clean. Baking soda itself is edible, but I always try to rinse thoroughly. Lightly squeeze the water out from the fabric, then dry them. Drying the fabric is quite important as well. Sunlight is ideal, but, well, I'm quite lazy, so I often use the machine dry. I know it is not ideal, but it is so fast. Before COVID-19, I dried them with other towels. Now I dry it just by themselves, only mask. It is important to dry very much completely. Then iron it will be nice. The heat from the iron assured to eliminate the virus. If you would like to keep a good shape of the Sashiko mask and last longer, then please avoid machine washing and machine drying. Thank you for watching the video. I intended to make this video when we couldn't get a proper sanitizer. Bleach will kill the virus, but it will also take off the colors from the fabric. So please do some research and keep your mask clean and beautiful. I believe wearing a mask is one of the best things we can do for caring the society and others. Again, Sashiko mask is not the best solution, but I hope you can enjoy the process of making a mask as well. For other information, please check the description of this video. I share the link there. Enjoy Sashiko.